Hello friends, this is Sparsh Gupta. So today we are going to continue our posture which I left in my previous video. So let's begin. Video editor. Now step one is, let me edit the text. So step one is add video. Add your video. Okay. Then make I'm making it smaller so that it looks like it. Now I will edit it. Edit the text. Now I will firstly write add the video in video editor and in the story board also. Okay. Also and this. Oh yeah. So step one is done. Let me show you. So here is video editor. Firstly, it will ask you new video. Firstly, it will ask you your name, video name, like this. Okay, it will ask, and then it will show this. So you have to do click on add from this PC or whatever you do, and you have to add the video which one you want to add from this desktop folder. Use this one video. I have to add this video. Add. Okay. Now it is added. So it is saying that place in the storyboard. You have to click this or you can drag it easily. If you have to click on this, it will simply add. And if not, then do it like this. It has it. When you add in the storyboard, it will appear here also. Okay. So this was the first step as written. So what I'll do is, so we have to take a screenshot, but I will take with snipping tool. So new, and then do it like this, this, and done the screenshot. Okay, yeah, here. Here is the screenshot. Take it. And here are some options. Yeah. Here are some options for making squares or whatever do you want to make. Copy. Oh, then no. Yes. So it will open in Paint 3D and you have to do 3D shapes. No, 2D. Yeah, I will do this. Do it here. Here. Okay. I will do it red. Line type. Copy, 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 copy. I have to paste it in Adobe Spark. So paste. I think that's not copied. Is there any option of copy? Copy, copy. How to copy this thing? So we have to take the screenshot again by new. Here only of this. Like this I have done. Yeah. Okay. This and it has been copied. So I will minimize it and go on Adobe Spark and here. Sorry, paste. Why is it not pasting? Snapping tool. Copy. Here is paste. Paste, 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 paste. Let me. I think I have to save it. Save as save photos. Upload here. Open. Now it has been up. It's loading and it will upload. Yeah, uploaded. Now I will do this all like this, and I will write text. Add your text. This is step 1, so I will write step 1. Oh, here, down this. So friends, I was able to make this much video as in which I make video. It was this limit only. So I made this much and I hope you liked it. So till my next video, bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you subscribe, please click on the bell icon which is on the right side of subscribe button. Okay. So till my next video. Bye bye.